ओम मंगलम दिशतु मे विनायकौ मंगलम दिशतु मे सरस्वती मंगलम दिशतु मे महेश्वरी मंगलम दिशतु मे सदाशिव गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजं फलचारुभक्षणं उमासुतं विघ्नविनाशकायकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजं वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्न कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वविघ्न विनाशाय सर्वकल्याण हेतवे पार्वती पुत्राय श्री गणेशाय नमो नमः। अतुलित बलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं मनुजधन किशानं ज्ञानिनाम् अग्रगण्यं सकल गुण निधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपति प्रिय भक्तं वातजातं नमामि मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयुथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यारण्यौ विहारिणौ वंदे विशुद्ध विज्ञानौ कवीश्वरौ कपीश्वरौ यत्र यत्र हनुम श्रीराम कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतिमस्तकाञ्जलिं वाष्पवारी परिपूर्णं लोचन मारुति नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। ओम Blessed self in all adorations. Today we will explain the mystic meaning of form of Lord Sri Hanuman. Lord Sri Hanuman represents the mystic syllabus of Om that represents divinity, the absolute self. Lord Sri Hanuman has a red complexion that represents the extreme degree of energy and activity. The absolute self has two aspects. One is his nirgun nirakar roop, without attribute, without any form, without any action. And other is sagun sakar roop, with form, with activity, and with a definite energetic expression. The Lord Hanuman expresses the dynamic state of absolute self. Sri Hanuman also represents the mystic energy of sadhana. When a sadhak is not very much trained, then the mystic energy of divine self is scattered in through his senses and mind. But when he develops control over his mind and senses, the energy of his spirit takes form of Sri Hanuman and accomplishes a task beyond expectations. Lord Sri Hanuman crosses the deep ocean of unconscious mind. He crosses the ocean of unconscious mind and he discovers intuitive wisdom in form of Mata Sita. This intuitive wisdom leads an sadhak aspirant towards the absolute Sri Ram. In unconscious mind, there is accumulation of many sanskaras of past lives, innumerable past lives. Lord Hanuman burns all the sanskaras of the past lives and endowed an aspirant with immense spiritual power that leads him to divine self, Sri Ram. This story of Sri Hanuman is filled of so many valors and accomplishment of impossible tasks. When sadhana shakti develops in an aspirant, the sadhana shakti that is represented by Lord Sri Ram, the capacity of aspirant develops many folds and he accomplishes unbelievable tasks. And the most difficult task for a human being is to control his mind and senses. Lord Sri Hanuman provides adequate strength and energy to aspirant to control over his mind and senses, and that gives him a special power to discover his essential nature in form of self-realization. The mantra for propitiating Sri Hanuman is Om Sri Hanumate Namah. This mantra, when recited with devotion and surrender, gives immense power that provides physical and spiritual strength to the spiritual aspirant, and it also provides immense energy and power to overcome obstacles in the path of self-realization. May Lord Hanuman bestow upon everyone with spiritual strength, insight, and success for attaining the highest goal of life in form of self-realization. May Lord Sri Hanuman bless all of us. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.